I was waiting that my kid will start crying for pain and all, but he never cried. He was so happy.
Hi, this is Dr. Vishali. I'm a pediatric dentist working in Cosmodent. So here comes a case of a 4 years old child, Pranay Ocha, जो हमारे clinic पर आए थे. So we treated them in general anesthesia.
Thank you, Cosmodent. It was really nice experience here. Like I was little scared while coming.
यहाँ पे गंदा गंदा था ना, यहाँ पे टीथ आपका हमने उसको रिमूव कर दिया ना, गंदा गंदा इन्फेक्शन उसको बस क्लीन कर रहे हैं हम. ओके. So this is the appliance जो हम लगाएंगे बच्चे के दांत में, and this is how it is.
I was little skeptical whether to go with GA or go with the normal anesthesia. I was little scared, but yeah.
Smiling face आना चाहिए. ये smile
But yeah, the way she explained and the way things went, it was really smooth and.
Wow, very good. सब लोग clap करेंगे. Very good.
Thank you. मैं को भी कर दो.
Yay.
I was waiting that my kid will start crying for pain and all, but he never cried. He was so happy. When he came also here, it felt like he's coming to play. So yeah, really nice experience. And his teeth are like fine and he's not having any issues. Thank you.